Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming, and welcome to my quick unboxing video for the GK61 RGB keyboard that I bought from MECKEYS.com. So MECKEYS is a site that sells mechanical keyboards and mice and keycaps, things like that. And the benefit of buying from these guys is that we don't have to worry about the hassle of customs if we order things from, say, China, AliExpress or things like that. So they buy the stuff, it's here in India, you buy it from them, and then you save the headache basically. So that's what I've done, and I've looked at the keyboards in the past, but they were quite expensive, stuff like the Ducky one or the and Pro, things like that, whatever. And recently I noticed this one here, the GK61, which is considerably cheaper than the other ones. So this one is 3,600 rupees, and this uses the optical red switches, gear-tron switches, and it has RGB lighting as well. So on to the unboxing. First we have the outer box. Now this looks like it's had a difficult journey, but it's alright, it's not a big deal. They've taped it up properly, and I've removed my address label, of course. I just wanted to show you what sort of packaging they're using, and it's alright. Inside they had the keyboard box in a layer of foam, bubble wrap basically. And I'm removing that, and I'll show you what's inside. It's a small box, it's quite a small keyboard. I'll show you later how small it is. So it's me here struggling to open it. So there's the keyboard. A leaflet, a sort of quick start guide with comparison with different models that they have. And here we have the cable and a couple of keycap holders, which was a nice surprise. So this leaflet, it shows you the GK61, the 62 and the 64s. This is of course the 61, and the difference is just the layout and where the keys are placed and what sort of keys you get. And this one was in Chinese, and on the other side you had the English instructions basically. So once again we have the USB cable, a couple of keycap pullers. The cable is it's all right. It's a surprisingly long cable. I think it was about 3 feet or something, so about the same length as my previous keyboard. See, you won't have an issue connecting it. And the keyboard itself is just in a small package, plastic bag. So after unboxing, you can see here is the keyboard. Once again, very small, compact. It's well made. It doesn't feel cheap or light, and it's got glossy bits on the underside and matte, so combination. So yeah, really nice little keyboard. And as a comparison, I've got my GK Force 83GB mechanical keyboard, and here it is next to this. I can see the difference in size. It's absolutely tiny. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing for the GK61 RGB mechanical keyboard with optical red switches that I got from MECKEYS.com. Overall, quite happy with it. It's nice, and once I use it for a little bit, I might make a separate review video, because it has a few functions that I would like to discuss, things like the RGB lighting on the keys and just the feel of the keys compared to the standard Cherry MX Red that I've been using with the Gigabyte keyboard. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that, and yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.